So I've been building for 16, almost 17 years now, and there's two really clear reasons why I build. The first one would be for my family and to provide for them. I love being able to pack up on a Friday afternoon, take them out to the bush and teach them about Australia, and then get back to work on Monday morning for building again. The second thing would be for my employees and watching them thrive in life. I've got one guy's just been awarded Apprentice of the Year, got another guy's just bought his first house, another guy buying a brand new car. It's just great that Bluebill can be a part of that.
I've been with Ryan since he was a carpenter. He's always had a real passion for building and definitely always wanted to run his own business. You know, it's really important for him to provide for his family, but also now he's got so many employees working for him and now he's providing for them. So he's really about building a business and building really good opportunities for all the people around him. And we're really proud. We're really proud of all of the employees that we've now got and the company that it's become. It's becoming one of Sydney's biggest building companies, and me and the boys, we just couldn't be any prouder.
I see all of my employees as part of my family, just like my kids, and seeing them grow, that's why I build.